Hey, Emily.
Hi, Jack.
Long time no see. How have you been?
I'm doing well, thanks. Just busy with work as always. How about you?
I'm good too. Honestly, I needed a break from the city. So this hike came at the perfect time.
I know what you mean. Nature always resets my mind. I was really looking forward to today.
Same here. And wow, have you noticed how the forest smells different after the rain?
I have, it's like the earth is breathing again. Everything feels fresher, like the trees are alive in a new way.
Exactly. I read somewhere that scent is called petrichor, the smell of rain hitting dry soil. It's kind of addictive, don't you think?
Totally. It makes me want to take deeper breaths, like I'm trying to bottle up the moment.
Standing here, surrounded by all this green. I can't help but wonder how many different lives we're sharing this space. With insects, birds, maybe even foxes hiding out.
That's the beauty of nature. It's a whole hidden world that keeps moving, whether we're watching or not. Sometimes I feel small, but in a good way, like I'm part of something bigger.
I get that. City life makes us. We're at the center of everything. But out here, we're just guests.
Speaking of guests, did you see that hawk earlier? It swooped so close, I could almost feel the wind from its wings.
Yeah, that was incredible. Birds of prey have such precision. They remind me that every creature has its own role.
Exactly. I think that's why nature calms me. Everything feels balanced, nothing extra, nothing missing.
True. Do you ever feel guilty about how much humans disrupt this balance?
And sometimes, yes, but I think awareness is the first step. If more people took the time to just be in places like this, they'd think twice about harming it.
Maybe we should all have a mandatory forest day every month, just to reconnect.
I'd sign up for that. Imagine schools and offices giving people a day to just breathe and observe.
You know, Emily, when I was a kid, I used to climb trees and pretend I was exploring uncharted lands. Now, as an adult, I still get that same thrill, but with a deeper appreciation.
That the thing about nature, it grows with you. As kids, we adventure. As adults, we see meaning.
Well said. I think that's why I love hiking with you. You notice the little things I'd normally miss. Like that tiny purple flower we saw earlier.
I guess it's my way of slowing down time. Every small detail feels like a secret nature is whispering to us.
And right now, nature's whispering, stay a little longer.
I couldn't agree more. How about we sit by the stream for a while? I want to listen to the water.
Deal. Maybe we'll even catch the sunset reflecting on the water.
Perfect ending to a perfect day.